we will start the class now. Today we are going to see in verbs, group 3, irregular verbs, okay? Which are just two verbs. And then we are going to cover kanji, just two again. Kanji for day, this is a kanji for day. And for moon or month, this is the kanji. And we are going to see months from January to December in Japanese. Okay. So yes, irregular verbs. There are just two verbs. Okay. Suru, like tennis suru. So suru and
kuru.
So to come is kuru and to do is suru. Okay, just two verbs. So first let us look at suru. Suru means to do. And here, if you look the conjugation, in Godan it was like sa, shi, su, se, so. And in Ichidan there was just one form. Unlike this, since this is an irregular verb, the conjugation will be different. Like ru will be omitted. But the su, except for the dictionary verb, it might be she or sa. Okay? Sa and then something, or she and something. So let us look at how it will be. For example, do not do is
Shinai.
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 Shinai. Okay. Next, the polite form of to do is
Shimasu.
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 Shimasu. Okay. The dictionary form will be
Suru.
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 Suru. So this is just basic form. Okay. Plain form. Suru. Now, here it's not can do. Okay. It's be forced to do is
させられる。
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 させられる。Okay. Be forced to do. So can do has some other word which we will cover later on in the future videos. Next is let's do. Okay. Let's do is
しよう。
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 しよう. Okay. This is how all these forms are. Either it can be she or sa. So this is suru, and suru is is used very commonly in Japanese. Okay. So some noun plus suru. For example, over here to study is
勉強する。
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 勉強する。So either you can say 勉強をする or you can just say 勉強 and then not use the o. 勉強する is to study. So both are right. For example, to play tennis is
テニスをする。
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 テニスをする。Or you can even say
テニスする。
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 テニスする。Both are okay. Next is to dance is
ダンスをする。
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 ダンスをする。Or you can say
ダンスする。
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 ダンスする。And to travel is
旅行する。
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 旅行する。 Next, to order. Okay, to order. For example, when you go to a restaurant, you order something, and that is
注文する。
chumon suru.
注文する。
Chumon suru. And to telephone someone is
電話する。
denwa o suru.
電話する。
Denwa suru. Okay, both ways are okay. So suru, some noun plus suru. That is how it is used, and this is very common. So now let us look at the next irregular verb, kuru. Kuru means to come. So here ku and ru. So again, ru is omitted, except for the dictionary verb, ru is omitted. So ku becomes either ko or he. Okay. So here, do not come is
来ない。
konai.
来ない。
Konai. And polite form of to come is
来ます。
kimas.
来ます。
Kimas. Dictionary form is
来る。
kuru.
来る。
Kuru. And can come is
来られる。
korareru.
来られる。
Korareru. And let's come is
来よ
koyo.
う。来よ
Koyo. So this is how the irregular verbs changes its form. So let us have a summary. Just two verbs, kuru and suru. Irregular verbs, there are just two verbs. And the verb suru is used often with a noun, like tennis, suru, and so on. Okay, now if you would have noticed, in group 1, group 2, and group 3, all have ru verbs. Okay, so how to know the difference? So, like verbs with kuru and suru, this is very simple. With kuru or suru will be irregular verbs. Okay. If the hiragana before ru, okay, the hiragana before ru is a, o, u, or no, most probably it will be group 1 verb. Okay, group 1 or godan verb. And if hiragana before ru is e or a, then most probably it will be ichidan verbs. However, there are some exceptions. For example, here iru and eru, that are not from group 2 verbs. Okay, ichidan. So, for example, to return is
帰る。
kaeru.
帰る。
Kaeru. To cut is
切る。
kiru.
切る。
Kiru. To know is
知る。
shiru.
知る。
Siru. To enter is
入る。
hairu.
入る。
Hairu. And to run is
走る。
hashiru.
走る。
Hashiru. So here this is a sounding verb. This is he, she, e, and she. So these are all group 1 verbs. They are not group 2 verbs. So the conjugation will be in I, U, A form or kaki, kuke, ko form. So we just need to remember all these verbs. So this was about irregular verbs. Now let's move to kanji. Kanji for day and for the moon. Okay, first let us look at the kanji for days, sun, Japan, and counter for the day. It is this kanji. Okay. And its onyomi is
日、
ni,
実、
nichi, jitsu,
日、実、
nichi, jitsu. And the kunyomi is
日、か、
he, ka,
日、か、
he, and ka. So let us look at the stroke order. What are strokes? Since the kanji is written in with a brush, it has 4 strokes. Okay, it's written in exactly in this manner. It has 4 strokes. First, it is written in this way. Wow. Number 1. The second stroke will go like this. 2. The third, this is the third one, and this is the fourth. This is the exact way to write the kanji. So let us look at some of the pronunciation, some of the words using this. So this one is
日曜日、
nichiyobi.
日曜日、
Nichiyobi. If you would look here, the same kanji, but it has 2 different pronunciations. Yobi means week. Okay, week of the days of the week, right? Okay. So, like Sunday, Nichi Yobi means Sunday. Okay. Next is
日本、
Nihon.
日本、
Nihon, which is Japan. Next is
元日、
Ganjitsu.
元日、
Ganjitsu means New Year's Day. 1st of January is Ganjitsu. Next is
毎日、
Mainichi.
毎日、
Mainichi. Mai means every. And nichi is day, every day. Okay, it's every day. And this is
10日、
Toka.
10日、
Toka. Toka is 10th day of the month. And here, this is
朝日、
Asahi.
朝日、
Asahi. Is this the same kanji as Asahi Shimbun? Okay. So, okay. So this is Asahi. Morning sun. So these are some of the words using this kanji. So reading these words, it is easy to remember the pronunciation, the onyomi and konyomi. So please practice on this. If you don't know this kanji, please don't worry. You don't need to practice on this. You can just write the hiragana here, gan, and then you write this kanji. So please don't worry if you don't get this kanji, such complicated kanjis. Now let's go to the next month or moon. So here, this is the kanji for month. So if you would look at the stroke order, this is first stroke, second stroke, third, and fourth. So this is how it is written. And the stroke order has 4 strokes. Okay? And the onyomi is
月、月、
getsu, gatsu,
月、月、
getsu, and gatsu. Okay, these are the 2 pronunciation of onyomi. And konyomi is
き、
ski,
好き、
ski. Okay, it's not suki, it's tsuki. Okay, ski means moon. Okay, all right. Now let us look at some of the words. So earlier we saw this yobi. Yobi is days of the week. So like this is
月曜日、
getsuyobi. So
月曜日、
getsuyobi. Here the pronunciation is getsu. So getsuyobi is Monday. This is
1月、
ichigatsu.
1月、
Ichigatsu. And which means January. Next is
今月、
kongetsu.
今月、
Kongetsu. So if you look here, this is gatsu. And this kongetsu, it becomes getsu here again. So kongetsu is this month. Okay? Kongetsu. This kanji is for now. So kongetsu. So again, if you remember this kanji, this is my every. Okay? So this is
毎月、
maitsuki.
毎月、
Maitsuki. Okay? So maitsuki is every month. Maitsuki. I get money every month. Okay? So maitsuki okane ga moraimasu. It's like that. Next is
先月、
sengetsu.
先月、
Sengetsu. Sengetsu means last month. Okay? The month that went by. Next is
来月、
raigetsu.
来月、
Raigetsu. And raigetsu is next month. So rai means next. So next month. So these are some of the words related to this kanji. So getsu and gatsu and ski. Here it is ski. Now let us look at the months, okay? From January to December in Japanese. So it's very easy. So ichi, this is
1、1、
ichi. And ichi means one, okay? One and plus gatsu, okay? So it's very simple. So if you pronounce this,
1月、
ichigatsu,
1月、
ichigatsu. And ichigatsu is January. So now you must have guessed what will be the next.
2月、
Nigatsu. Yeah, Nigatsu is February. And this is
3月、
Sangatsu.
3月、
Sangatsu. And Sangatsu is March. So it's very easy to remember this. And please remember, this is not Yongatsu. This is Shigatsu. Please remember this one. This is
4月、
Shigatsu.
4月、
And Shigatsu is April. Next is
5月、
Gogatsu.
5月、
Gogatsu. And this is May. So now it will become very easy. So next go and then Roku. So it will be Rokugatsu. Rokugatsu is June. So easy. And this one you need to remember. Number 7. So number 4 and number 7 you have to remember. This is not Nanagatsu. Okay? It's not Nanagatsu. It will be
7月、
Shigatsu.
7月、
Shigatsu. And Shigatsu is July. So please remember the 4th month, which is April. It's not Yongatsu, it's Shigatsu. And July is 7月 Next is 8. So it will be
8月。
8月 and 8月 is August. This one, the pronunciation is not Q. Please remember this. This is not Q. Gatsu. It will be
9月。
9月
9月。
9月 which is September. Next is
10月。
10月
10月。
10月 and 10月 is October. Next is
11月。
11月
11月。
11月 which is November. And the 12th month is
12月。
12月
12月。
12月 which is December. So all you need to be careful is in April, which is the 4th month, the 7th month, and the pronunciation of September, which is ku. Okay, she, and ku. It's not q. So okay, so let us read this one time. All of them. Yes.
1月。
1月、
2月。
2月、
3月。
3月、
4月。
4月、
5月。
5月、
6月。
6月、
7月。
7月、
8月。
8月、
9月。
9月、
10月。
10月、
11月。
11月、
12月。
12月。